Hi everybody, welcome to your golf tip video of the week. And today we're going to talk a little bit about chipping and the importance of chipping. The importance of chipping is setup. Day in and day out I always say good golfers actually play well, just have the incorrect setup, and that leads to errors on the course and can lead you a couple of shots on the golf course. So it's very important that we make sure setup is down to the tee, and that will lead to better chips and more consistency around the greens. So first of all, let's talk about setup. When chipping, we don't want to set up as a normal golf swing, wider stance, club face away from us, and then feeling 50-50. It's quite the opposite. We want to feel narrower and closer to the golf ball, and then with our weight towards the left side. So the reason for that is so that we can get the arc of the club working into the golf ball and striking it clean, and then giving you that control of the club face and golf ball, and then obviously nice spin on the greens. So if you always wondered why the pros hit the ball or spin the ball so nicely around the greens, this is that setup. So we want to make sure the ball position's in the middle, depending on loft and height, but we just want to keep it standard today. Ball position in the middle, hands slightly more forward, almost like 70% of the weight on the left side. We don't want to sit with our weight in this manner, pushing our bum towards target, because that will change our angle of our shoulders. That will also lead to a lower arc and hitting behind the golf ball or thinning it. So we just want to set up with our weight to the left, our shoulders equal to the ground, and in that manner we can get the club arcing into the golf ball and then getting a cleaner strike. So it's also very important that we just don't want to use wrist, so we don't go like this and hit the shot in this manner. We want to feel the sternum move back and move the sternum through. That will give you more consistencies with distances. Alright, so setup, we want to get our ball position in the middle, weight on the left, shoulders equal, hands forward. We want to move our sternum back and move our sternum through, and that leads to a nice crisp clean strike. So we don't want to get ourselves 50-50, standing far from the golf ball and moving to our right and then hitting it like that. So you could see I was actually hit the ball a good half a foot behind the golf ball, and that's not going to lead to consistent strikes and distance problems. Right, so this is nice and simple. Make sure you get your setup correct, because it's very important that we want to lower our scores around the greens. That's where we want to pick up a couple of shots. Alright everybody, I hope this tip works for you guys. It should improve your chipping and you'll feel it and trust it. Thanks so much for watching. See you next week. Cheers.